recommend you our newest LED stick. Now you can see here, this is our controller. Here is 8 different buttons. This means 8 different areas, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and here is 15 different colors. And now let me see. On, all LED sticks were flashing red color, red, green, blue, pink, white, yellow, light blue, light green, purple, orange, light pink, aqua blue, light yellow, dark green, light red. This controller can control 15 colors, and you can, if you want A area LED stick flash, you can press A button. Then the A part stick yellow color, and if you want B area stick light, you can press B button. And then if you want a purple color, then press purple button. If you want C area orange color, then you can put C button and orange. And if you want all LED stick together light, then you can press the C button, then press the color you want, like dark green. All LED stick were light dark green. Here you can see here is the flasher mode. Slowly flashing, quickly flashing, more quickly, steady on, color changing. And off.